Hi there! In this video, I will show you how to make your own linen spray emulsified from scratch. Wouldn't you want to go home with a calming lavender scented room from a stressful day? Linen spray is an easy household product to make that is used to freshen linens and soften furnishing between washes. Or it is sprayed on fabrics while ironing to provide a pleasing and therapeutic scent. Today, we will make a calming linen spray using a combination of 3 essential oils. One is lavender essential oil to relieve stress, chamomile essential oil for additional relaxation, and lemon essential oil to enhance mood. You can scroll your module for the list of popular essential oils and its benefits. Now set everything, including your tools, raw materials, scale and containers. Make sure to work in a clean and sterile workplace. Now, before we proceed, always stir or set your scale to 0 before pouring your ingredients. Don't forget to include your container in stirring so that you will only weigh your ingredients. Please refer to your module the exact percentage and measurements provided. Now, measure carefully all your ingredients from water down to your preservatives. First step is to mix your essential oils or fragrance oil to your solubilizer. Now we are using 𝒦𝓃𝓃𝑒𝓈𝓉 hydrogenated castor oil. If you don't have access to 𝒦𝓃40, you can use polysorbate 20 or 80. It's all up to you as formulator. We need solubilizer to achieve a consistent product that doesn't separate. Without it, the oil will separate from the water content that would result to oil spots. Mix carefully your fragrance oil to your solubilizer. Now slowly add that solution to your water phase and mix very well. In making big batches, you can use stick blender to speed things up. You just have to deal with lots of bubbles, but you can just set it aside to get rid of it. Remember that aside from the fact that you can combine 3 or more fragrances in your formula, you can also increase the content of your scent. Just deduct the additional percentage to your water so that you can still get 100% total in your formula. To add, please remember that essential oils coming from nature doesn't mean it's safe on your skin. Likewise, just because fragrance oil is synthetic doesn't mean it's unsafe. It would take some time to dilute your phase A and phase B, which is water. Now that it is already diluted, time to add your preservative. You can ditch your preservative, but make sure to consume the product right away, for any product with water content is an avenue for microbes to grow. Your linen spray is now done and good to go. Pour it to your desired container and label it. We advise you to use amber spray bottles since it contains essential oils to prolong shelf life. That's it. Enjoy using your line and spray. If you have any question, don't hesitate to send us a message at our Facebook page, Skincare DIY Point. Bye!